Good morning, guys. In this tutorial here, we'll be talking about the sacrotuberous and the sacrospinous ligament. Okay, and these are like pelvic ligaments. Okay, but I don't think these are all the pelvic ligaments. Okay, there can be like more ligaments in the pelvic um, um, okay, in the pelvic anatomy. Okay, but we'll be cycling out the sacrotuberous and the sacrospinous ligaments to talk about them because these two ligaments are actually very much important ligaments in talking about the pelvic anatomy. Okay, so guys, on this picture, you can see the sacrospinous ligaments. The next one, you could see the sacrotuberous ligaments. Okay, and these are focus today. Focus to discuss the sacrotuberous and the sacrospinous ligaments. Okay, talk about the anatomy, where they are, like the origin, the insertion, and all those things. Okay, and why they are important. Okay, why do we actually study them? Okay, so guys, the sacrotuberous and the sacrospinous ligaments join the sacrum to the ischium. You guys understood that? They join the sacrum to the ischium. Okay, you know, from here to here, from up to here is the ilium. Okay, then to this side is the ischium. Okay, then the bone down here is the pubis. Okay, so you can see that these ligaments are basically from the sacrum to the ischium only, but on different parts of the ischial bone. Okay, and that's what makes them unique, and that's what we are going to be talking about. And if you observe these ligaments, you could see that they are posterior to some spaces that are actually important. Okay, and you could see that this sacrospinous is behind. Okay, like I would say that it is posterior to the what greater sciatic foramen, while the sacrotuberous is posterior to the what lesser sciatic foramen. Okay, so that's what makes these two ligaments special. Okay, and that's why we are studying them today. So we'll be starting with the sacrotuberous ligament. I would say that the sacrotuberous ligament runs from the ischial tuberosity to the sides of the sacrum and the coccyx. Okay, so let's run it up. Let's run it up. Let's run it up. Okay, this is sacrotuberous. You can see that the sacrotuberous runs from the ischial tuberosity to the sides of the coccyx and the sacrum. Okay, then we say that it defines the posterior limit of the lesser sciatic foramen. Okay, this foramina down here is the lesser sciatic foramen. Okay, so you can see that this sacrotuberous ligament actually defines like it is posterior to the sacrotuberous ligament. Okay, it's posterior to the lesser sciatic foramen. Okay, this is still the sacrotuberous and the sacrospinous ligament. Okay, and sacrotuberous, this is the one we just spoke about. You can see that it is posterior. Okay, like it defines the posterior part of the lesser sciatic foramen. Yeah, I like this image. You see the lesser sciatic foramen just anterior to it. Okay, and the sacrotuberous ligament being posterior to the lesser sciatic foramen. Then moving forward to talk about the sacrospinous ligament, we say that it runs from the ischial spine to the sides of the sacrum and the coccyx. Okay, this one is from the ischial spine. Okay, you can see the ischial spine here. I could see that on the ischial spine is a sacrospinous ligament. Okay, it runs from the ischial spine to the sides of the sacrum and the coccyx. Okay, it defines the posterior limit of the greater sciatic foramen. This is a greater sciatic foramen. This is the greater sciatic foramen. Okay, so it defines the posterior limit of the greater sciatic foramen. Okay, so that's it, guys, about lecture notes on sacrotuberous ligaments and the sacrospinous ligaments. Okay, talking about, okay, they just say rounds. Okay, is it good to say origin and insertion? Yeah, origin and insertion. Yeah, origin and insertion. Yeah. It's okay. Okay. So that's it about the sacrotuberous ligaments and the sacrospinous ligaments. Okay, so see you guys in the next tutorial.